Hello world, welcome to Yuki's Kitchen. Today, I'm gonna introduce Okinawan Tempura and Squid-Ink Soup. Let's start cooking. I got half-price squid today. At first, add dried bonito to hot water. Cut between the body and the head. Cut the leg part. Cut out the sucker. Cut the body vertically. Cut it carefully. There is a squid ink inside. Remove the internal organs and bones. This is squid ink. Peel the skin off. Cut the washed squid. Slice incisions like this. Prepare your favorite vegetables. Today I have carrot and lettuce. I'm gonna use this. This is the ultimate Okinawan pork brand, agu. Pork is better to put in. Add squid ink. And also you can buy squid ink for about $1 at the supermarket. Add salt and check the taste. Finally, add lettuce and then put it in the bowl. Add mugwort and it's done. 完成! Next, let's make a tempura. Actually, tempura is very difficult to make. However, if you use tempura flour, you can easily make it. You can buy it for about $2. The tempura of the restaurant is made by a professional chef. They adjust the amount of the flour, temperature, oil, etc. If we make at home, it's oily and not crispy. That's why I recommend tempura flour. This is bitter melon. It's called goya. It is a vegetable that represents Okinawa. This is Okinawan Shallot. This is called島らっきょう. Today I also fry eggplant and carrot. Remove the white area. After washing the vegetables, remove the water. Add 100 grams of tempura flour and 160 ml of water. Put on the butter and fry. I also put the mugwort. It's done! 完成! Let's eat! いただきます。Eat it with salt and ponzu sauce. This is my favorite ponzu sauce. If you hear this sound when you eat it, you succeeded. This sound is called sak-sak in Japanese. サクサクしておいしい。How was today's video? This channel shows you real Japanese home cooking, and I would like to introduce Japanese sauce mix, seasoning, and frozen food. Furthermore, I will also introduce Japanese food culture and custom. If you enjoy this video, just hit like and subscribe. ごちそうさまでした。Thanks for watching. ありがとう。バイバイ。